Very exciting. iPhone 17 Pro Max. It was fun. My wife's is coming from FedEx. Mine came from UPS, and it got here first. Some stuff to ship back my old phone. Little tab at the top and the bottom to pull to get it loose. So it comes with just some protective paper on the front of it. And power cord. Everything is USB-C now, no longer the Lightning. Cable. Oh, and since my 14 Pro Max, they've upgraded the cables. They're no longer just the plastic ones. These are actually have something of a fabric across the outside of them. So also got the phone case from Apple that came several days ago. MagSafe clear. Man, that'd be terrible to drop and break this. I was watching an unboxing video several years ago. Somebody that opened the box up and the phone flew out of their hand and it landed on the concrete and broke. That would be terrible. All right, let's power this up. Yay! So this is what it looks like. This is the dark blue phone in the clear case. So it's got that white on it. It's not part of the phone. That's in the case, and it's got a little symbol of the Apple in there. Got buttons on the side. And we're starting up. All right, thanks. Have another video coming soon of the iPhone 17 Air when FedEx gets here with my wife's phone. Thanks for checking out the channel. Please like and subscribe.